If you want to enter a room and have girls immediately intrigued by you, then you're in the right spot. Today I share the secrets of how to attract the attention and desire of the ladies and have them yearn for you for days or even weeks after. So pay close attention and don't miss a word I say. These are the precise, actionable steps you can take to make yourself irresistible to women. Number 1. Body language and posture. Let's start with what women see first, and it's most likely not your looks nor your clothes, but your body language. You want your presence to radiate confidence and style, and you can never achieve that with slumped shoulders, wobbly legs, and an abysmal appearance. Body language is the way you start communicating with anyone, and the only way that keeps communicating even when you stop talking. Whether you like it or not, your body language is in constant communication with your surroundings. So, that is the first thing you need to take care of. Back straight, shoulders apart, stand firm, and do not shy away from eye contact. Number 2. Appearance. Who do you think attracts women more? A guy in surf clothes looking trashy, or a guy that keeps himself clean cut and looks like $1 million? The answer is easy. And the biggest mistake 99% of people on the planet do is understanding something but not learning from it. So, if your goal is to be more attractive, and you know looking fresh and well-kept is attractive, then just do it. Be that 1% that learns and acts accordingly. That is the only correct way to improve. Number 3. Have a sense of humor. Okay. So you're dressing to the nines, and you worked on your body language. Now you have the attention of the ladies as soon as they lay their eyes upon you. But what's next? A great thing to have would be a sense of humor. Laughter is such an important thing to have in life, and a great way to break the ice and start communicating with people. Yet, for some reason, it's still overlooked. But clothes and body language won't mean much if your personality is bland. And with humor, you should also have an interesting personality, which brings us to our next tip. Number 4. Don't be bland. You don't need to be the world's best rock climber or skydiver, or do any crazy stunts for that matter. But you do need to find a passion and devote a part of your time to it. This will make your life richer, it will give you more confidence, and it will make you more interesting in the eyes of everyone around you. Number 5. Learn how to compliment. One important rule in life is that you shouldn't overdo anything. The same goes for compliments. If you overdo them, they become mundane and eventually worthless. You should still use them, but when you do it properly. Don't compliment obvious things like most men do. Instead, focus on something small and then compliment it in an unusual way. It can even be an imperfection that is unique to that girl, like freckles, dimples on her cheek, or her quirky smile. If you do it right, it'll mean more than 100 bland compliments put together. Number 6. Be organized and punctual. Your room or your house is the mirror of who you are. Keep that in mind the next time you invite someone over. If you are messy and chaotic in your living space, that's how you will be in real life. And lazy, chaotic men are not very attractive. And the first step to getting yourself organized is doing it with the space you inhabit. You will see after some time, this will reflect on your personality and the way you handle yourself with other people. This also means you should keep physically in shape. It'll boost your confidence and sense of self-worth, and there is nothing more attractive to a woman than a man who values himself. Number 7. Be a gentleman, but not a pushover. Being a gentleman is incredibly underrated in modern times. It is often associated with being weak and needy. However, that perception is 100% wrong. Being a gentleman does not mean being nice all the time. Quite on the contrary, it means behaving nicely and politely only when it is appropriate. A gentleman also stands firm behind his beliefs and has an unshattering commitment to upholding his morals to the fullest. He doesn't care what others think about his chivalry, and he is steadfast in his ways because he knows that it is the right way to conduct himself. He opens doors and helps people that are in need, but also doesn't shy away from pointing out when someone's being a jerk. Before we get into our final 2 steps, do me a favor and click on the like and subscribe buttons. It's like giving me a pat on the back, which motivates me to create more content for you guys. If you do, I bet you will get a bonus tip at the end of the video. Number 8. Be decisive and in control. Women like to have a choice and their wishes respected, but what turns them on even more is having someone they feel they can rely on and trust completely. In order to be that man, you have to show decisiveness and be in positive control. That means you have to choose a way that honors both of your wishes to some extent. In essence, you're in charge in such a way that she also feels happy and fulfilled. Number 9. Take notes and keep your word. There's nothing that shows attention to women quite like when you remember something silly and seemingly unimportant. So if you want to make her irresistibly attracted to you, try to remember or write down those quirky little details, and when she's least expecting it, show her you care. Number 10. Be confident. For the end, we saved what is possibly the most important tip for today, one which has to encompass all of the other aspects we talked about, and that is confidence. It is evident that confidence doesn't come naturally to all people, but luckily, it is something that can be practiced. Keeping your posture straight, making eye contact, paying attention to your body language, all these things together make you seem confident. It means knowing who you are and what you have to offer, and then standing firmly behind it. Before you go, here's a bonus trick that comes straight out of female psychology. It is based on the fact that all women crave attention, and with social media, they get it abundantly without even trying. But not all attention is good. Men that shower women with attention and do not seek anything in return devalue themselves, and the women naturally lose interest. So when you meet a woman, give her a quick compliment, and then stop paying attention to her. This will drive her crazy, and she will do everything to get that attention back. Knowing this trick will give you an advantage over most men. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more great tips, check out these 4 things real men do to turn women on.